Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw small letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Pink color, blue color, orange color, green color, purple color, red color, gray color, yellow color, black color, and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw A and use black color. A for apple. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use yellow color. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use red color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow ochre color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M and use green color. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use purple color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use orange color. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use pink color. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use red color. W for whale. X for telephone. Kids, now you draw Y and use yellow color. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.